So today I'm about to show you how to connect Mistral LLM in N8N. First, go to the Mistral AI console, navigate to the API keys section, click Create New Key, and copy your generated token string. Next, open your N8N canvas and drag in a Advanced AI Agent or Basic LLM chain node. Look at the subnode connection slots and search for the Mistral Cloud Chat modal and drag it into a canvas, snapping it directly into the chat modal input slot. Click into the Mistral node, select Create New Credential, and paste your API key straight into the token field. Hit save, select your desired LLM brain from the modal drop-down list, and your Mistral integration is fully configured and ready to execute. Pro tip: if you want to handle unstructured data, don't stop at basic chat. Drag in the standalone Mistral AI app node to access their native Mistral OCR API. This allows your workflow to cleanly parse tables and text from impossible, messy PDFs entirely for free. And that's it. That's how to connect Mistral LLM in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.